Hello. The Federal Reserve, as was expected, kept the federal funds rate steady for the second consecutive time yesterday. During the meeting, Fed Chair Jerome Powell did not directly say anything about what awaits in the December meeting. However, the markets as a whole have interpreted his speech as taking a more dovish stance. Economists have noted that Powell's emphasis on how much inflation has fallen and the lack of comments regarding the U.S. economy's resilience point to the Fed's unwillingness to further tighten monetary policy. As a result, Treasury bonds rallied, with the benchmark 10-year yield falling 14 basis points overnight. Stock indices joined in the celebration on a global scale, while the rise in commodities and the retreat of the dollar reflected the return of risk appetite to the markets. Things to watch out for today include U.S. factory orders data due at 10 a.m. Eastern Time and Apple's third-quarter financials released after the markets close. Qualcomm yesterday posted third-quarter EPS of $2.02 on $8.67 billion revenue, surpassing the $1.91 EPS and $8.51 billion revenue expectation. The company forecasted current quarter EPS between $2.25 and $2.45 and revenue between $9.1 billion and $9.9 billion versus the consensus expectation of $2.23 profit per share on $9.2 billion of sales. The upbeat report was tied to the rebound in smartphone demand. Novo Nordisk today reported net sales of 166 billion Danish kroner for the first 9 months of 2023, showing an increase of 29% from the same 9-month period from last year. Growth in net profit for the same period was reported as 47%. The huge boost was largely due to the popularity of the Danish drug maker's weight loss drug Wegovy. Similarly, Eli Lilly showed immense growth compared to last year, driven by sales of their own weight loss drug Mounjaro, reporting a 37% increase year-over-year in third-quarter revenue. Shell reported today a 34% annual drop in third-quarter profit to $6.2 billion as energy prices cooled, with strong trading of liquefied natural gas helping offset a sharp drop in its production. The company also announced a share buyback of $3.5 billion to be carried out over the next 3 months. As PhillipCapital team, we wish you happy and healthy days.